Everything in the app is backed by master data here in the portal. Facility lists every store and warehouse location your business operates. Product holds your complete product information, and equipment is the live registry of every individual tagged asset, each with its own serial number, parent product, facility, warranty, condition, and status. This is also where bulk tagging originates. The bulk asset from product screen lets your team generate serialized RFID tags directly from a product record. Simply set the facility, category, and quantity, and the batch is ready to print. Remember the exit antenna at the store? This is where your team monitors it. The antenna monitor dashboard shows, at a glance, how many stores are covered, how many antennas are active right now, and which ones have gone offline, so a hardware issue never goes unnoticed. Drill into any store to view its antenna status and last recorded activity. Every action in the app feeds into a report here, so nothing happens without a paper trail. The facility-wise scan report shows every scan by location, including asset counts, successful reads, and anything missing, letting you audit accuracy store by store, right down to the department, building, and room. For transfers, the location-wise dispatch report and the facility-wise dispatch journey report track every transfer end-to-end. What was scanned out, what arrived, and any mismatches automatically flagged for follow-up. For stock checks, the location-wise inquiry report and the inquiry summary report roll up every inquiry across all locations, showing valid assets, missing assets, and any unexpected assets that appear where they shouldn't be. Every inquiry across all locations is captured here, showing valid assets, missing assets, and any unexpected assets appearing where they shouldn't. The asset allocation report tracks every asset assigned to a user, department, or location, including the allocation date, current status, and who allocated it. It also records who deallocated the asset, so ownership and accountability are always on record. All of these reports can be exported directly to Excel or PDF with a dedicated SAP export option available for dispatches. Between the app on the floor and this portal in the office, you get a complete, tamper-proof record of every asset from the day it arrives to the day it's unregistered. That's the complete DreamzCMMS RFID platform end-to-end. If you'd like us to walk your team through a live, hands-on session, we'd be happy to set that up. Thanks for watching.